In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable smart activation on iPhone on iOS 18. So there is a new hidden feature in your iOS 18 called the smart activation that allows you to turn on schedule automatically and turn off any schedule where the smart activation is available automatically. Here, after watching this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable smart activation on iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on focus. Here you want to select any of this focus. It could be do not disturb, personal, sleep, or work. Then here tap on it to set it up. Then click on customize focus, and here you want to customize your focus based on your preference. So you can select people and apps. Then you can also choose to customize the focus screen. Now, to turn on your smart activation, all you just need to do is scroll down to set a schedule, and you'll see smart activation. Go ahead and tap that. Then once you click on smart activation, you should see the feature to turn on the smart activation. Then toggle on this to enable it. You see that? Then toggle it off again to disable the smart activation. So you can easily enable or disable smart activation on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.